Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today we are making one of the most loved crispy snacks, chicken spring roll, with a crunchy outer layer and a flavorful chicken filling loaded with vegetables. This recipe is perfect for tea time, parties, lunch boxes, or anytime you are craving something deliciously crispy. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Spring rolls are enjoyed worldwide. Now add 1 tablespoon curd and 1/4 cup water. Knead everything into a smooth and soft dough. Apply a little oil over the surface and let it rest. Take a small portion of the dough. Roll it thin and make a roti. Roll the wrappers as thin as possible. Cook it lightly on a pan and keep it aside. This will be our spring roll wrapper. Thin wrappers create the signature crispy texture. Now let's prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoon onion, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute. Add 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. Season with 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Mix until the chicken is nicely coated. Now add 3 tablespoon carrot, 3 tablespoon green capsicum, and 3 tablespoon red capsicum. Add half teaspoon salt and toss everything together. Colorful vegetables make the filling look more appetizing. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. Homemade spring rolls can be customized with endless fillings and allow the filling to cool slightly. For sealing, mix 1 tablespoon flour with 1/4 cup water to make a slurry. Place the chicken mixture on a spring roll sheet. Brush the edges with slurry and fold as shown. Seal the edges properly to prevent opening during frying. Heat oil and fry in medium heat until beautifully golden and crisp. Cook on medium heat for an even golden finish. Chicken provides quality protein. Fresh vegetables adds vitamins, fiber, and color. Homemade snacks give you control over ingredients. Your crispy chicken spring rolls are ready, perfectly crunchy on the outside and packed with flavorful inside. Tell me in the comments which dipping sauce you would serve with these spring rolls. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy snacks, appetizers, and homemade recipes.